Hi first grade friends, it's Mrs. Hannah and I'm here for our lesson 15 module wrap-up lesson. This is our last lesson for module 5. So when we began this lesson, or when we began this module, we started with this knowledge map and we started talking about light and dark. And so I want to just end our module and talk a little bit about light and dark. So if you'll notice, right here in the middle, I have light and dark, and we talked about what light means. And in our class, we talked about man-made. What were some man-made lights that we knew? And we came up with some things like light bulbs, flashlights, electricity. In my class, we also just said lamps. We said that natural light comes from the sun, the moon, fireflies, and stars. We also talked about the dark, and when we think about the word dark, we think of the word night. We think of shadows or shade. And then what causes light and dark? We talked about weather, blackout, seasons, day and night, and Earth's rotation and orbit. As we have talked about light and dark throughout this module, we've read a lot of different texts that talk about light and dark. So what is the same about the texts we have read? What is something that's different? What did you learn about light and dark from each of these texts? We read a lot of different stories, so think back to that and ask yourself some questions. So let's do our wrap-up. Our wrap-up is in our My Book on page 122, and it ends with our essential question, which has been the question of our lessons every day, and it's why do light and dark come and go? So what I want you to do is I want you to pick one of these activities to show what you have learned about the topic. So number one, you can be a poet. You have read about light and dark, day and night, and the seasons. Write a poem that includes information you have learned. Draw a picture to go with it. Share your poem with your class or with your family. You can choose that activity, or you can choose this one. This is called Day and Night Face-Off. Your opinion counts. Do you like day or night better? Find facts to explain your ideas. Then tell a partner your opinion and explain why. Your word challenge is, can you use the word solar to help explain your opinion? Okay, you have a little section on your page that's not here, but it says My Notes, so you can take some notes. You can write your poem in that little box, or you can write some notes about your opinion and what reasons you will use to tell whether you like day or night better. Okay, good luck on your activity, and thanks for joining in.